Hello, I'm Darren, and welcome to another edition of AutoCorrected. Today we're going to be working on this 2010 Toyota Tacoma, otherwise known as the taco truck. Hey, if you know what generation a 2010 is, put it down there in the comments. Let's see how good you are. I'll give you the answer later in the video. But today we're going to be going over brakes, and we're going to be doing an overall rundown of the truck and what we need to do to it. I appreciate you checking in. Please like and subscribe. And remember, at AutoCorrected, we don't make mistakes. We make custom modifications. AutoCorrected, we don't make mistakes. We make custom modifications. All right, here we're going to get started on this 2010 taco truck. So, we're going to go over a little bit what this truck needs, a little bit of history of this truck. It's a one-owner truck. It's set for 10 years. Got 227,000 miles on it. Now, that being said, it's set for 10 years. So we're going through everything. We're going through brakes. As you can see, we already got a head start on that. We also got to fix this shock. If you'll notice, you can see where it's leaking. And the frame's in good shape. We need to clean some more of that mud and dirt off of there. The bed's in good shape. It had a work truck back protector for the glass there, but the glass was still broken. As you can see, it's laying in the back of the truck here, what was left of it, the frame. And we got to order a new back glass. We're going to put that on too. We're going to show that in the video. Moving on down the truck, as you can see, the rockers are in pretty good shape. Now this door is a little bit worse for the wise. According to the previous owner, he was getting pulled out of a ditch, and the door got caught, and pretty good dent in it. Now that being said, the outside of the door here doesn't quite line up to the seal, which, you can stick your whole finger and whole hand down in there. So we're going to figure that out. I'd like to find another door. If you know where I can get another door, please let me know down in the comments. We also got to have the windshield replaced. Now I'm going to go ahead and have that done by a local vendor. I can do windows. I've done windows, but I hate doing windshields. So I'm going to go ahead and let a professional do that one. Inside the truck, typical work truck, it's got a little dirt and grime, and we've cleaned it out quite a bit. It is a 5-speed, as you can see the little joystick there. And it is an AC truck, which the AC currently does not work, but we're going to address that in a later edition. And you can see from the inside a little better of the windshield cracks. It's cracked all to pieces. You can see, if I move my camera around a little bit, you can see the telltale signs of the cracks showing up. So we're going to, you can see the hood needs cleaned pretty good. And we need to get a new battery. We've already taken the battery out. Yeah, so this has the 4-cylinder in it. Pretty good little engine. As you know, 227,000 miles ain't nothing for these little 4-cylinder Toyota trucks. I like to get a replace on the headlights. They're pretty fogged up. And I don't know if I want to try to do the kit where you clean them up or not, but we'll see. Isaac's already gotten a head start on cleaning the drums. He did a pretty good job. And moving on around the truck, we need to do an oil filter. Of course, we're going to do a tune-up and, plugs and wires or coil packs. We'll see. And, it needs cleaned up quite a bit in here still. And moving on around, we got a set of, the tires that were on it were flat spotted really bad. We got a set of pretty decent used ones. The front ones are the best. As you can see, they got pretty good tread on them. The back ones, that's so-so. That's the right rear. It's all right. It'll probably pass inspection for at least another year. And again, here's the side of the truck. The passenger side, rockers are good. And still dirty, as I was saying. The front brakes are going to need replaced. Going on around passenger side, again to the interior. Just a typical work truck. be just fine for a 16-year-old getting his driver's license. Also noticed that the throwout bearings were rattling just a little bit, so it probably got about another 5 or 10,000 miles on it, and we're going to be doing a clutch. So, but here where we are at this moment. So I'm going to change out the driver's side brakes, and then as I do that, I'm going to teach Isaac to do the brakes, and then he's going to do the passenger side. So that should be fun. So if you guys stick around, we'll get into it. right, so he got it all together and he puts his drum on and then he's got to do some adjustment. It was way too loose. So the answer to the trivia question, this is a second gen Tacoma. First gen was 94 to '04, and this generation is '05 to 15. This is a 2010 model. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos. It's really fun to get the younger generation involved in doing some simple maintenance on vehicles. And shoot me some, give me a comment down in the, like and subscribe, of course. Share it with your friends, and send me a comment or two down there on, in the video. I mean, I'd love to hear what you guys think. If I'm doing okay, if you have any suggestions for the channel, I mean, hey, hit me up. Definitely welcome to any kind of criticism you may have, because I just want to make it better for you guys. So I mean, and everybody so far has been real positive, and I really appreciate it. Again, we got some more stuff coming up with this truck. We've got the rear glass on order. We're going to show a video on that. We got to get rear shocks put on it, new front brakes and rotors. So it's going to be fun to get this thing out on the road. It's going to be his first vehicle with a new driver's license. He's really excited about it, and of course we all are. Good to see young folks prosper and meet their goals, no matter how small they may be. So again, I like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.